Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Derek, the owner and creator here at Jones's Burrow and Books, and today we're diving into a program that I use in my practice, AutoCAD. Let's get started with an introduction to AutoCAD, covering some of the basic tools and commands. AutoCAD is a powerful software used by architects, engineers, designers, and drafters to create precise technical drawings. When you first launch AutoCAD, you'll be greeted with a workspace environment consisting of various menus, toolbars, and a drawing area. Familiarizing yourself with the interface is the first step towards becoming proficient in AutoCAD. Let's start with some basic tools that you'll use frequently in AutoCAD. The line tool, for example, allows you to draw straight lines by specifying 2 points. Simply click to define the starting point, move your cursor, and click again to create the line. The circle and rectangle tools are handy for drawing basic shapes. With the circle tool, you can specify the center point and radius, while the rectangle tool lets you define the corner points of the rectangle. Now let's talk about modify tools, which are essential for editing and manipulating objects in your drawing. The move tool, for instance, allows you to relocate objects by specifying a base point and a new location. Similarly, the copy tool creates duplicates of objects, while the rotate tool lets you rotate objects around a specific point. In addition to tools, AutoCAD also provides a range of commands that you can execute using the command line interface. For example, typing line and pressing enter activates the line command, allowing you to draw lines using coordinates or relative distance. The zoom and pan commands are essential for navigating your drawing efficiently. Typing zoom followed by extents zooms out to display the entire drawing, while pan allows you to move the view within the drawing area. Finally, don't forget to save your work regularly using the save command. Simply tap save and press enter to save your drawing to a specified location. When you're done, use the close command to exit AutoCAD. And there you have it, an introduction to AutoCAD covering some of the basic tools and commands to help you get started. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different tools and commands to become more proficient in AutoCAD. We got more videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, don't just draw, create, and we'll catch you in the next one.